Hi dear friends, now in this video we are going to learn about calculus, and particularly we'll talking about how to use the Newton-Raphson method to find the roots of a function, right? So we are given a question, find the roots of this function, which is x cubed minus x plus 3 by using Newton-Raphson method, and we have to consider x naught is equal to minus 2, right? So we have to solve this question by using this method which is given in the question. So we have to find some pre values that we will use in the Newton-Raphson formula, right? So we need f of xn, right? We need the value of f of xn. We have to find the value of f derivative of xn, and of course we are given the value of x naught, which is minus 2. So to write the formula, which is xn plus 1 equals to xn minus f of xn divided by f derivative of xn, right? So this is the formula of finding the Newton-Raphson method. But because, as I said earlier, we need these values. We need the value of f of xn. We also need the value of f derivative of xn, which we will put in this formula, right? So because this n represents the x naught, it represents the initial value, or you can say the approximate value. So we have to, because this is x naught, or you can say x0, so x0 plus 1, which is actually 1. So this will become x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f derivative of x naught, right? So now we have to put the values in this, and we can easily find the roots. So how we can find the value of x naught, f of x naught, and f derivative of x naught? Simply, we can just put the value of x naught into this function. So when I put x naught is equal to minus 2 in this function, this will become, because the function is, let me just show you. Now the function is x cubed minus x and plus 3, right? So simply I can replace this x with the value of minus 2. So this will become, my f of x naught will become, simply I can say this will become x cubed minus x plus 3. So I can put the value of x naught, this is a minus 2 cube minus, right, minus 2 plus 3. Right, so if I just further solve this will become minus 8, this will become plus 2, this will become plus 3, and if I further solve this, so this will become my minus 3, right? So the value of f of x naught is equal to minus 3. And simply I have to find the value of f derivative of x naught. Simply I can put, first I can find the derivative of this function, and then simply I can put the value of x naught into the function, right? So to find the f derivative, you can simply, because let's suppose you have a function which is a, x, and n, right? So this is the coefficient, this is the this can be power or cube, we can simply say it's a power, right? So we have to multiply these two, so this will become a n x and n minus 1, right? This is the way how you can find the derivative. Simply I can use this formula to find the derivative of this function. Simply, so because we have x cubed, so this will become 3x squared, right? Because this will multiply with the value of 1, which is because the coefficient is 1, so this time so we have to multiply these both, which is actually 3 and x, and we have to subtract 1, and this become 2, right? So this will become 3x squared, and since we have only one x here, so x is equal to 1, right? So this is our 1, and we have no x variable in it, so it will be dropped to 0. So we can, in simple words, we can say that the f derivative of x naught is simply equal to 3x squared minus 1. So we can put the value of x here, which is x naught, and it's equal to minus 2. So we can just put this, which is equal to 3 times minus 2 squared minus 1. So this will be 12 and minus 1. right? So far we find all the required things that we needed earlier, right? So we can simply put this into this formula. So x1 is equal to minus 2 because the x naught is equal to minus 2 here, right? And f of x naught is equal to minus 3, and this is the minus in formula, so this will become my minus 3, and f derivative of x naught is equal to 11, right? Yes. So if I've solved this, this will become x1 is equal to, because these and because this is minus and this is minus, which gets to positive value, so this will become a plus 3 divided by 11. So now you can easily solve this question, and you can take the LCM, which is 11, and then multiply 11 with the value of 2, which will be minus 22 plus 3, right? So this will become minus 19, right? Minus 19 divided by 11, right? So this is the answer. So this is the value of x1, right? So this is the value of x1 if you solve this, right? If you solve this in calculator, or you can just solve it by yourself. So if you solve this, you will get the value of 1.7272, right? So this is the value of x naught, and you can follow this method to find the approximate value of x2, and you have to consider x1 would be replaced with this value, and you have to just and you have to find the f of x1, which is this, and you can just simply follow this method to find the other values of, or you can see that the roots. You can just follow the same step to find x2, x3, x4, and this will be continued, and you will be reached at a point where this value will be kept decreasing and it will reach to 0, and this is how you can solve it. I hope you understand Newton-Raphson method, and for more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel Professor Brohi on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching.